Hi, my name is Doug, and you guys said you guys needed a video of this vacuum. It's a rigid WD03180, excuse me. So it's gotten louder over time here. So it still kind of works. It's got okay suction. I used it the other day to clean stuff out of the car, clean the floorboards in the car. I'm gonna clip the, maybe. Okay, here you go. It wasn't always that loud. You run it without, off of the thing. I took the filter off to look at the impeller, or whatever you call that. So, running it. Still loud. Still has decent suction. So I looked at the impeller. It was hard to see anything, but it looked like it was not bent, but it was hard to get to that point without taking it all apart. Let me know. Thank you.